Let's talk about clear quartz. Clear quartz is the most versatile and universal crystal. It is a master healer crystal, and it may be used for any situation, emotional or spiritual. Think of clear quartz as a magnifying glass for your energy and emotions. It amplifies and intensifies them. Clear quartz helps to cleanse and clear your mind and any negative energy or emotion you might be experiencing. It can be used to help amplify energy and is easily programmable for specific intentions, making it a valuable tool for manifestation and goal setting. Clear quartz can be used to find clarity in all situations, and it may help you with decision making, problem solving, or developing your intuition. Clear quartz is highly effective in working with all of the chakras, particularly the crown chakra. It harmonizes and activates all the chakras, promoting balanced energy flow throughout the body. This crystal possesses purifying qualities on a spiritual, mental, and physical level. It helps to cleanse and clarify the energetic field, creating a sense of balance and alignment within oneself. Furthermore, clear quartz has the unique ability to amplify the energy of other stones, making it an excellent companion crystal for enhancing the properties of other crystals. Clear quartz resonates with the storm element, embodying the energies of all four elements combined. This gives it a potent and transformative nature. It dispels negativity, clears away stagnant energy, and purifies the spiritual, mental, and physical planes. The storm element energy of clear quartz provides a sense of movement and transformation, helping to bring about positive changes and growth. Some intentions for clear quartz are activation, energizing, focus, clarity, cleansing, and amplification. Let's talk about a brief explanation of the geology of clear quartz. Quartz, also known as silicon dioxide, is a silicate mineral composed of silicon and oxygen. It is one of the most abundant minerals in the Earth's crust and is found in various types of rock, including igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks. When rocks with quartz inclusions are weathered and eroded, the weather-resistant quartz grains are removed from the host rock and concentrated into soils, rivers, and beaches. The formation process starts with the presence of silica-rich molten rock deep within the Earth's crust. As this molten rock cools and solidifies, it creates pockets where quartz can grow. These pockets act as tiny nurseries for the formation of quartz crystals. In some cases, quartz can also form through a metamorphic process. This occurs when existing quartz-rich rocks undergo intense heat and pressure over an extended period of time. The heat and pressure causes the atoms within the rock to rearrange, forming new quartz crystals. The growth of quartz crystals is a slow and gradual process. Over time, molecules of silicon dioxide in the molten rock or within the mineral-rich solutions start to arrange themselves in an orderly pattern. These molecules bond together and form the framework of quartz crystals. As more and more molecules join the crystal lattice structure, the quartz crystal grows in size. Clear quartz is a macrocrystalline variety of quartz, characterized by visible crystals to the naked eye. The shape and appearance of quartz crystals can vary. They often have a hexagonal shape with 6 sides and pointed ends. However, quartz can also grow in different forms such as clusters, points, and double-terminated crystals. Each unique growth pattern gives quartz its distinct characteristics and metaphysical properties. The most valuable pieces of clear quartz will be clear and colorless, with little to no impurities present in the specimen. Impurities can cause discoloration, and while that can be valuable in other types of quartz, the highest quality of clear quartz will be completely pure silicon dioxide. Larger and well-defined crystals are considered more valuable. The size and clarity of a natural clear quartz specimen determines its price. Clear quartz clusters can grow to impressive sizes, with specimens reaching up to 9 feet across and weighing up to 3,000 pounds. Clusters of this magnitude can command prices in the millions of dollars. Exceptionally high-quality clear quartz can also exhibit a prism effect, adding to its allure. Clear quartz ranks at a 7 on the Mohs hardness scale, making it harder than glass and steel. Since it is one of the harder natural materials, it is used in blasting, where quartz sand is used for sanding and polishing. It is also utilized as a filler in paint and glass production. Quartz is also manufactured synthetically to be used in computers and watches. Clear quartz deposits can be found worldwide, with notable mining locations in Brazil, Madagascar, India, and the United States. The largest ever recorded quartz cluster, weighing over 30,000 pounds, was discovered in Namibia. The state of Arizona is also home to extremely large and impressive quartz clusters. Are you looking to amplify your spiritual journey? Are you seeking clarity, focus, or heightened intuition in your life? Or perhaps you're just embarking on your crystal journey, eager to explore the world of healing energies and seeking the perfect crystal companion to begin with. Look no further than Clear Quartz. This remarkable crystal possesses a myriad of metaphysical properties that can help you amplify your intentions, connect with higher realms, and unlock your inner wisdom. With Clear Quartz by your side, you can navigate the twists and turns of life with greater confidence, manifest your dreams into reality, and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery. Clear Quartz has been used for thousands of years by numerous cultures. For a large part of human history, clear quartz was believed to be ice that was too frozen to melt or petrified. It was used in ancient Greek rituals for making offerings to the gods. Clear quartz was traditionally used by indigenous people of Australia and North America as a religious talisman used to attract visions. Meditation with clear quartz can be helpful in so many ways. This energizing crystal is believed to improve focus and clarity, deepen relaxation, and elevate spiritual experiences. Incorporating clear quartz into your meditation routine can help attune your mind, body, and spirit, amplify intentions, and provide clarity during introspection. Clear quartz is also known for its cleansing properties, helping to rid the body of negative energy and make space for positivity. If you are feeling negative, hold the crystal in your non-dominant hand, taking a few deep breaths of awareness, and ask the crystal to help you release that negativity. Allow the energy of the quartz to flow through you as you focus on your breath. Notice the clarity that comes with each inhale and exhale. Continue this for about 15 minutes. Be sure to express gratitude for the clear quartz crystal for sharing its powerful energy with you. Wearing clear quartz as jewelry allows you to carry its energy with you throughout the day. Earrings adorned with clear quartz can help promote mental clarity, enhance communication, and uplift your energy. When worn as a pendant, clear quartz can strengthen spiritual connection, protect against negative energies, and amplify personal intentions. When wearing a clear quartz bracelet, the wrist choice depends on your intention. Choose the wrist that aligns with your desired outcome. Wearing a clear quartz bracelet on your dominant hand, also known as the receiving hand, will attract positive vibrations and energy, and it can aid intuition and emotional healing. Wearing the bracelet on your non-dominant hand will help release any negative energy or thoughts you may be holding on to. Clear quartz is a great crystal to incorporate into your tarot and oracle readings. You can place a piece of clear quartz on top of your deck to cleanse its energies prior to reading, and many believe that holding a piece of clear quartz in your hand while giving a reading can amplify your psychic energies and keep your mind clear and focused. Carry a small tumbled piece of clear quartz with you throughout the day to provide mental clarity, stimulate creativity, and bring a sense of balance and harmony. By keeping it close, you can access its uplifting and purifying properties whenever needed. You can keep your tumbled clear quartz in your pocket, handbag, or even bra. Clear quartz is a wonderful stone to place anywhere in your home. Its powerful energy works to amplify the positive energy of other stones, so it is very useful to keep it around your other crystals. Placing it near the entrance can help cleanse and purify the energy that enters your space. Placing a piece of clear quartz in your bedroom will help to clear your mind and promote peaceful sleep. Anywhere conversation happens in your home or workplace, you can benefit from a piece of clear quartz, as it will clear the air and allow for an open and positive connection. Cleansing your clear quartz is extremely important to keep it clear of negative energy. Because it is such a hard stone, clear quartz can be cleansed in water. It is best to keep clear quartz out of the sun, as prolonged exposure to sunlight might make the stone brittle and susceptible to cracking. In addition, It's important to keep in mind that clear quartz can actually be a potential fire hazard if left in the direct sunlight, as it can act as a magnifying glass. Safer ways to cleanse your clear quartz include smoke cleansing, sound baths, placing it on selenite, or placing it under the light of the full moon. To keep learning about crystals, their geology, and how to use them, be sure to like and follow us.